but this isn't working. All right, y'all. So in today's video, we're going to be searching for the battery on my SSR 189. So we're looking for the battery because a few times while I was riding, the bike didn't want to start up. Also, we're going to be fixing the kickstart because the kickstart is loose. I attempted to use the kickstart because the electric start wouldn't work, but then we found out that my kickstart was loose as well. So I'll probably have to turn the bike around to get on the other side. I don't even know where this battery is. I'm assuming it's under the seat. I might have to take this off because this doesn't just pop off nice and neat. At least it doesn't look like it does, but we'll get to it. So here's the left side of the bike. I don't know if it's just a pop-off type thing, or should I start by taking the sides off? So we're going to take the sides of this off. I don't have the exact screwdriver I need to take it off, but it's okay. This will work. Call the screwdriver. The exact tool that I need to take this off. I'm going to lose these, but we can remove these. I looked for some YouTube videos. That's my go-to to find out what to do, but couldn't find anything. So this is what I removed. There's a couple screws right here. So let's just remove one side. Maybe that's all I need. That plastic just clipped on? I don't know. Probably need that piece. I'm kind of new to doing stuff like this, so I just don't want to lose any pieces. So now that I remove those sides, I can see the battery in there. That's the battery right in here. Again, don't know how to remove this. So as I'm pulling up on this, it feels like it's stuck right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to remove this nut and see where that gets me. Now I feel dumb because I removed the nut, had a washer to it, by the way, so don't lose that. But yeah, once you remove that, the whole thing comes off. Anyways, that's what we're working with right here. I don't have a battery tester, at least not here at the crib, so I might head over there and go to AutoZone. You can see that the battery's Chinese because I went to Walmart and I tried to find a battery for it, but they don't even have it in their little pamphlet with like Yamahas and the Suzukis and all that other stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this battery. All you need is a screwdriver. I already removed the other one. So this comes off pretty easy. This is hooked onto something. Hope I don't have to remove all of this. Oh, I see. So after you already remove the screws, there's a little bungee thing you can just pull down a little bit. Yeah, unhook it. Pretty old and dusty if you ask me. Oh no. But here's the battery. Don't know where I'm gonna find one of these. Oh, I see where that came from. Dropped out from out of there. You see it. So I didn't have a battery tester at the house, so I went to AutoZone and get it tested. They did have trouble testing the battery just because it was so small, but they got it eventually, and yes, it did come back bad. So these are the battery options they had at my AutoZone, a whole bunch of Duralast. I had a bad experience with Duralast, so I don't buy it for anything. So we're gonna head to another store. Plus, I don't think any of these fit anyways. The next store we went to was our Tractor Supply. They did have some motorsport slash power sport batteries, but for some reason, I just felt like these were too big. I didn't think they were gonna fit into the bike. While I was here, saw a couple go-karts. I don't know, man. Maybe that's next. So it's gonna take me a while to find a battery that fits. I'm probably gonna have to trial and error a few batteries just because I don't know if I'm gonna find an equivalent to this battery. Okay, so here we are a few days later. We ordered this battery off Amazon. It was only 20 bucks. I think this is the right one. I'm not 100% sure. It looks like it's about the right size, but let's open it up and figure it out. Yeah, open this up. I know these little metal pieces right here are the same ones that slide in here. It goes like this, but first we're gonna put in the two little metal slides. I don't know if all bikes are like this or what the case may be, but we're sure gonna find out. To me, you're just sliding in these pieces right here, because that's where the other ones were. So it does fit in here. I repeatedly kept dropping pieces under here, so I had to take this off to chase all of them. Anyways, you'll slide this through here. Put this back on through here. Again, be very sure not to drop these pieces because I've had to do multiple takes because I kept dropping this piece or the other pieces, all just to put in this battery back. So these slide right in here ever so gently because again, there's nothing holding them in there. Don't drop them like I did multiple times. It's gonna have to go in here carefully. Put it in there. This has to screw in there. Same thing with this side. This is not, oh, there it is. So now that you got your battery back in, you can put the body back together. This clips in here. Push it down a little bit. Don't have the perfect, oops, wrong one. Don't have the perfect tool to go in, but you got one that'll get the job done. Nice and sturdy. You gotta put your seat back on. This washer and this nut go right back under here. Of course, make sure you really get that part in there because that's, you know, your seat. Pretty important. So let's give this a try. Turn on the fuel. I heard you do that just to put the gas in it. I don't know if that's legit or not. Let's try the electric. Okay. But this isn't working. So I don't know. I'm disappointed. I'm frustrated. I'm depressed. My bike won't start. I didn't do an outro for this video. I feel my whole world is crashing down. Somebody in the comments, let me know. I don't know what to do. I don't know if it's the wrong battery or what, but somebody help me, please.